welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a full day of eating keto low carb, and basically what that means is you're gonna follow me around and see what I do for breakfast, lunch, dinner, any snacks in between. We'll kind of see how that goes. Anything that I drink will also be included unless it's water, and we'll track it all in the Carb Manager app. And if you don't know how to use the Carb Manager app, I will link it here or there. And it's been really helpful. There have been over 35,000 views on that video. So I really hope that it can help you learn how to use it as well. We'll track everything, see where we end up with our macros, and let's hop into it. Hey guys, so for breakfast, I'm having a keto cream with my coffee. I'm actually in the process of filming a video about that right now, so it's probably gonna be up already by the time that this video goes up. So I'll link that below and you'll get to see that. And let's see if I like it. I do, I already know I would. This is the nut latte or latte nut, whatever flavor that is. So this is gonna be my breakfast, the first thing that I have in the morning. It would break any kind of intermittent fasting that I do. It's 130 calories. It's 4 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fat, and 2 grams of protein. So I'll put that in the Carb Manager app and see where I am at the end of the day. Hey guys, okay, so it is lunchtime and you can hear my dog and my kids and all of that kind of stuff. So what I'm doing right now is gonna end up having sliced pepperoni, spinach and artichoke dip. I'm gonna show you what exactly I'm using. So sliced pepperoni, spinach and artichoke dip I get from Costco, and it's by La Terra Fina. Let me show you right here. There you go. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of that. I'm also doing sugar snap peas. So I'll insert the picture for you, and I'm gonna add these into the Carb Manager app. And the pepperoni is 0 carbs. I think I know that obviously the sugar snap peas have carbs and the dip does have a few. I will track those, and again, I don't mind so much the carbs that come from vegetables. So I'm not crazy worried about that, but I will track them, and at the end of the day, we'll see how it goes. I have dinner in the crock pot, so I already know what's going on with dinner, except I don't know what side I'm making. I have a pot roast thing happening there, and I will link that video because I have that recipe video actually on my channel, so you can see how exactly I'm doing that since I'm not really showing it. Okay, let's go. So dinner tonight is the Mississippi pot roast that I do have a video and recipe for. I will link it somewhere up here and probably also down here. And my husband is air frying Brussels sprouts. I put everything into Carb Manager already, and it landed at right about 76% fat, 19% protein, and then the rest carbs. It was all, I'm gonna insert that in here so you can see it as well. Everything landed perfectly. All in all, it was an easy day of keto, low carb, and if I had salad, I would probably make a side salad with it too. I just didn't have any with me, so you can definitely get creative with all of the different things. Thank you guys so much for watching my full day of eating keto low carb, and I do want to say I really appreciate when you like and when you subscribe, so would you go ahead and do that if you haven't, and until next time.